We have two brand new videos up on Fusion Body Studio. These are both 60-minute exercise videos. And both of these videos came as a request from our students. The first one is a hip flush. This hip flush video deals with actively releasing hip tightness. Hip tightness refers to stiffness or restricted range of motion around the hip joint, often felt in the front, the hip flexors, the outer hips, the glutes, or the back of the hips, the hamstrings. It's one of the most common mobility issues, especially for people who sit a lot or for people who run a lot. The hip is a ball and socket joint designed for multi-direction movement. Tightness happens when surrounding muscles or connective tissue becomes shortened, overactive, or imbalanced. So if you have a feeling of stiffness or pulling in the front of the hip, a reduced range of motion, like troubled squatting or extending the hip, discomfort during sitting, standing up, or climbing stairs, experience extreme low back pain, or an anterior pelvic tilt, or have a clicking or pinching sensation in the hip joint, then this video is perfect for you. This is an all levels video. We use active mobility, so we get you nice and hot and sweaty because rigid things break. So we want to get the body nice and hot so we can actually move within the hip to start to release some of the problems. For this video, you need no equipment but a chair, and every single person has a chair in his or her house. Our second new 60-minute video that came as a request from our students is dealing with the posterior chain. Now, in every single video that we have, the posterior chain is being activated, but we decided to dedicate one bar fusion class specifically to this chain of muscles to help our students understand the importance of the posterior chain. The posterior chain refers to the group of muscles along the back side of your body, from your heels up to the base of your skull. These muscles are responsible for extension, stabilization, and power generation in most athletic and functional movements. The posterior chain matters because of one, posture and alignment. It counterbalances the front or interior chain muscles like the chest, quads, and abs. A weak posterior chain can often lead to rounded shoulders, forward head posture, and low back pain. Two, it's athletic power. Most athletic movements, sprinting, jumping, throwing, climbing, or lifting, heavily rely on hip extension, which is generated through the posterior chain of the glutes and the hamstrings. Having a healthy posterior chain is also injury prevention. It strengthens the muscles that help protect the knee, the hips, and the spine by improving muscle mechanics and load distribution. It's also, finally, functional movement. Everyday actions like standing up, walking, or lifting depends on coordinated activation of the posterior chain. So this is really important as we age too, to be able to get up and down. Having a healthy posterior chain helps you move better, stand taller, prevent injury, and generate more strength and speed. Again, both of these new videos are 60 minutes. They are all levels. If you would like to join us over on Fusion Body Studio, we do take requests from our students because our job over on Fusion Body Studio is to serve our students in our best capacity with the education that we have been granted. For me, I've spent 19 years studying the human body from a physical and a very spiritual perspective. So basically, Fusion Body Studio is your at-home fitness boutique. You don't have to go to a studio. You can do all of this in the comfort of your own home with nobody watching. We have a plethora of videos on our library, including branching out and having even more teachers come on board, master teachers from all over different walks of life, different parts of the world, and understanding the body from different perspectives. So we try to keep our prices really, really low. For tier 1, which is just the exercise videos, it is $25 a month, which is literally the price of a yoga studio drop-in for one class. If you want to take our workshops, which include things like the alchemy of movement, health, healing, and beyond, which looks at holistic healing principles, then you can pay $40 a month, just an extra $15 a month to get not only all of the exercise classes, but also all of our workshops. Within each membership, you also get one live exercise class a month, plus a call-in where we get to sit and discuss different topics. And on top of that, if you enter Bryce20, BRICE20, all caps at checkout, you can get an additional 20% off your tuition for the first 6 months that you are with us. On top of that, you also get the first 7 days for free to try out Fusion Body Studio to see if it works for you. After 7 days, if you decide that this is not the studio for you, then that's perfectly fine. You can cancel before your card is charged. So with that being said, we hope to see you all over on Fusion Body Studio.